When the Ramadan moon appeared, little Zayan became very happy. He believed that iftar only meant burgers, pizza, and fries. One day, his mother lovingly said, "Son, today we have dates, fruit chaat, and homemade food for iftar." Zayan made a face, but he still ate junk food quickly at iftar. After a while, he felt tired and said, "Mom, why do I feel so tired?" During Taraweeh prayer, his legs felt heavy and his heart felt lazy. His mother gently explained, "Too much junk food makes the body weak and reduces the energy for worship." That night, Zayan dreamed that junk food monsters were stealing his energy, but a glowing army of fruits, dates, and water came and chased them away. The next day, Zayan happily broke his fast with dates and fruit chaat and felt fresh and active. The lesson is, a healthy iftar makes us strong, happy, and ready for worship.